等一下。Hi, I'm Elizabeth. I'm 24 this year. So I have been with Lush Aesthetics for a year now, doing their PDRN Modern Therapy. So last time my skin condition is very jialat. So I have a very oily skin, very red skin. So it's also because of what I eat lah. Like I like to eat oily food, spicy food, 麻辣香锅 and stuff like that. Also I like to drink a lot. So this actually worsened my skin condition. So my friend also say my skin like, hey Ellie, why your face like tomato skin? Like why is it like pimple skin? So it's like you make me feel like very sad because like all their skin tone is like very nice texture and stuff like that. So I feel less confident about myself, about my skin. So that's why I like came down here. So I also tried different type of products in the market. So it still didn't like improve my skin. So yeah. So I came down to Lush Aesthetics to try their PDRN Modern Therapy. So I really love the facial a lot because it's my first time trying out a facial as well. So it's very relaxing and it's very relaxing as well. So I came down here. So my skin texture really improved a lot. So my skin is not so like red. My skin is like my pores are not so enlarged, like the orange textured skin that you see like in the oranges nowadays. So it really made my pores smaller, and then also like make my skin tone texture nice, like the skin overall quality of it. So I feel very like satisfied with the results that I have here, and best of all, there's no downtime at all. So I can just like after the facial, I can just quickly go out, go shopping and stuff like that. So to me, it's like a win-win lah. It's like very like just need to lie down there for like 1 hour and then just go out with like very nice skin. So it's a not bad, like it's a very good treatment for my skin and it helps to like solve the problems like my acne, the oily skin, acne skin and stuff like that.